this is Amrutha. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be the continuation of my previous video, Plan With Me 2020. If you haven't watched it yet, please go and watch it. The link will be in the description box below. So now we are going to prepare monthly spread of a bullet journal for the month of January. Spend 15 minutes once in a month to get organized throughout the month. So let's get started.
This is the cover page of my January month. So here is the fireworks theme I'm doing this month. This is the new year, new beginning and everything about celebration. So I just added this and added some gold glitter gel pen. Again, you can totally skip this, or if you want you can do it another thing. Here is the monthly overview. Here I am making 31 grids for the 31 days of a month. So here you can write all the events, appointments or important days, complete schedule for the month which you can easily refer. And here I am writing all the days. I want to start my week with my Monday. In this yellow space I just want to write the date. In the right hand side and the below corner I'll write all my goals, things to do and the shopping list, anything of that sort. Here I have mentioned only goals as of now. This page is very useful and life changer, I can say. This I named it as one line a day. Simply gratitude page. In this you can write what you're grateful for. For example, you can write, I'm grateful for my house, or I'm thankful for my mom for being supportive always. Or you can write, I'm grateful for having my cup of coffee peacefully. Yes, you can write that. Because in this busy life, how many of us really have luxury to have a morning coffee peacefully? And we forget to acknowledge and be thankful for what we have. Whether it can be small or big, acknowledge and appreciate. This helps in making your world positive. So here again, I'm separating a page into 3 equal parts for each individual day. So this is my week 1. I want to see a week at a glance. So this is my week 2, Monday to Sunday. And this is my habit tracker. This helps me track how consistent I am with my habits. Here I am writing strength training. Because I do take lot of cardio classes, I need to do strength training. And this is sleep before 12. It's not a good habit, but this is what I wanted to inculcate because these days I am sleeping very late. And this is my period tracker. So this is my routine or chores. So these days I wanted to follow one particular consistent routine for my morning and my night routine. So here I am writing how my ideal routine should be. So this is my morning routine and this is my night routine. And these are the chore days. This is the video planning page. So I wanted to upload my videos consistently on YouTube and Instagram. So I'm making a schedule for it. So this page is for that. So let's see the flip through of my January bullet journal. This is the cover page. And this is my month at a glance, and these are the goals. And here I just added some doodles just to make it look cute. This is my one line a day page. Here I have added this washi tape just for the bookmark. This is week 1, week 2 and week 3, week 4 and week 5 page. And this is the habit tracker. So whenever I do, I can just color them up. This is the routine, morning and night. Ideal routine which I just want to follow. These are the chore days and the video planning. Here I have added some little firework doodles again. And this is the expense tracker. Here I have mentioned date, particulars and the debit and the credit. I'm adding this at the last because we really don't know how many expenses we have in a month. So if they are exceeding, we can do it in the next page.
Now we all know how to plan and design yearly bullet journal and monthly spreads. You can use the same pattern for the other months as well. But stay tuned for my February Valentine theme bullet journal. For that, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get it notified as soon as I upload a video. Happy planning to you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.